Welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. Today in this video you're going to learn how to make this really easy and fun beginner's knit stitch. So as you can see, it's lacy, it works up super fast, and it's only a 1-row repeat. So if you enjoy my videos, I'll put a link to subscribe in the bottom right corner. This way you never miss a new video. You're going to want a multiple of 2. If you're following along with me, just casting on 10 stitches or using your preferred cast on method. Here I'm doing the long tail cast on. Okay, so I have my 10 stitches casted on. Now, this is really easy and perfect for beginners because it's just a 1-row repeat. So for the first and only row that you're going to repeat the entire project, you're going to knit the first stitch. Okay, from here, yarn over and knit 2 together. So you're going to bring 2 stitches together and knit them. The first row can be a little tight. It does loosen up. And again, yarn over, knit 2 together. Now this is going to be the repeat until the end of the row, and I will show you how to finish the row. So you're left with 1 at the end of the row, and you're simply going to knit. What I like to do is go in this way for the last stitch. It just makes the ends a little bit nicer. Okay, and as you flip here, you're going to do the exact same thing again. You're just going to knit the first stitch and then yarn over and knit 2 together all the way until the end of the row. So again, it's really easy and a simple stitch for beginners, and it also works up really quickly because you're knitting 2 together. Now, I started out crocheting before knitting, so I really enjoy this stitch with the yarning over added in. Okay. And then here's what it starts to look like. And again, this is just a sample swatch. As you can see, it starts to look really nice as you work up, lacy, but super easy. So if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video.